Okay, so this is the tutorial for Onshape. This is just a basic sketch. So all you want to do is Shift S or press the sketch button, and then you want to click on a plane. So here we have the Y, X, and Z axis. Okay, they named it right, front, and top. For like moving around, right click for X, and then X and Y generally, and then to move the actual thing side to side, is just hold down middle, the scroll wheel, hold it down, and then move the mouse, and then right click for up and down side to side. Okay, but what I usually do is if you click here, get the perfect angles, so you don't have to faff around with like getting the perfect angles and stuff. So this is what I like to do, especially when sketching. It makes everything easier. Okay, so we clicked on a plane, we got top plane. So see, now the plane is only on that axis. We cannot draw in this axis here. See, it's not going on the vertical axis, only on the axis of the sketch that we did. So here it is again, top. Then here we can just draw wherever we want, really, just bang. And then for dimensions, one of the more important part is D for dimensions. Just press D on your keyboard, and then you can just input your sizings. For angles, just click two connected ones. See, well,